it's time for school today, but I don't want to go to school. There's a test today, and what am I going to do? Maybe I should bring some slime with me. That may be a good idea. Go get it. So I got my slime. Maybe I will take my diary with me too, because I guess it'll be a bit boring. Now my pencil, and now my good old slime. There we go. Okay. Do my slime a bit, just a little bit before the test. Ooh, you want slime? Can I please play with it? No. No. Hey, you don't say no to my friend. I'm telling the teacher on you. Teacher. Bruh, shut your mouth. Maybe I'd let you play with it if you wouldn't tell on me. Please, I promise that I won't ruin any of the slime. Fine, but if any of the slime is ruined, you're giving me the money to buy a new one. Here. Oh, thank you. Where'd she go? She left long beads all at her spot and all on the table. Where did you put my slime? I don't know. I just had it and it was right here. Okay, class, I'll be dismissing people to go to the restroom. How about you, big-haired girl with a big bow in your hair, go to the bathroom first? Okay. Maybe she's trying to steal my slime. Maybe it's in her backpack. I found her backpack. This is it. Yes, here's my slime. Now I better put her backpack back how it was, or she will know something is up. I'm so glad that you're back with me. I missed you so much, slime. I'll never let you on my side again. Ooh, is that slime? That looks so awesome. please play with it? Please. I promise I won't do anything wrong with it. I promise. I'm just going to do something, to that bow girl with the big bow in her hair. Please. I do think I trust this girl, so I guess I'm just gonna let her do something to that bow girl with my slime. Thanks so much. You'll thank me later. Wow. This slime is fun. Where'd you get this at? Wait. Did that girl just get the slime out of my backpack? I thought it was in my backpack. And what do you want? I want the slime back. No. Well, Caitlin said I could play with it. Well, too bad, because I already gave it to Kaylee to play with. You know what? Give me that slime. Teacher, give it back. That's my slime. Yes, has slime in the test. I'll take this. Caitlin! Thanks a lot, Tiffany.